Right that.
What is up, guys? It's your boy Steeze, and today we're gonna. And today, that's Toff Boys laughing at my cringy ass intro. And today, we're gonna be going over a simple, basic trick shot that I think all the beginners or the new people coming into the community, I think that this is the trick shot that you guys need to start off with. So before you do any other tutorials that I have posted before, make sure you watch this one and do this trick shot, hit this trick shot, and then continue on to the other ones. This is the very first trick shot I ever learned. It's a really simple one. Temperrr, he's the one that created it back in like 2009, 2010, probably 2010. Can't remember the exact date, but anyways, it's really simple, it's basic, so hopefully you guys can just follow along with this and hit your own Temperrr shot. So let's get straight into it. All right, guys, doesn't matter what class you pick as long as you have a sniper and a pistol as your secondary. So I'm gonna use an intervention and a 44 magnum. You can use whatever you'd like though, sniper and a pistol. All right, so to do the Temperrr shot, the first thing you want to do is make sure you time your 360s. So my recommendation, stare at an object. So let's pick this little no, let's pick this barrel. Stare at the object and do a 360. Do a 360. Oh my god. So you have to make sure that you can time these. Once you get the timing relatively down, that's when you can move on to the next step. After that, the very first step to actually doing the Temperrr shot is just sprinting and jumping off. As long as you sprint and jump off, should be good. I'm sure everybody knows how to do that. Right when you sprint and jump off, you want to scope in and double tap Y, but as soon as you double tap Y, that's when you start your rotation. All of this needs to be in air after you jump. So jump, scope in, Y, start your rotation. Right now, in my game specifically, the bot is to my right, and I'm jumping this way, right? So the bot will be to my right. So that means I need to spin more than a whole 360 because I need to be looking that way. If he was to my left, for example, let's use this barrel as an example. If the bot was right there where the barrel is, you don't have to do a full 360. It's just wherever the bot is, that's where you want to line your shot up at. So if I go for the Temperrr shot here, I want to be lined up here. And that is why I was explaining earlier the importance of timing your 360s before you actually go into trying to go for attempts. So now that we know, all right, the bot is right here, I have to do a little bit more than a 360. My shot went over there, means I over rotated. So now I know next time, maybe just rotate a little less. So it's really just hit and miss, you trial and error. You just kind of have to keep on doing it until you get your timing right. But like I said, to do the actual shot itself, all you have to do is jump off, scope in, YY. As soon as you scope in and YY, that's when you start your rotation. So right when you YY, that's when you start your rotation. And the best way to do this is by playing claw. So when you're holding your controller, you don't want to hold it like you usually would. You're going to put your index finger on these buttons. You're going to press YY with your index finger and rotate with your thumb. If that makes sense. Hopefully you guys can see that. The last thing that you have to do to actually complete this Temperrr shot, right after you shoot, you have to pistol switch. So once you jump, scope in, YY, do your rotation. Once you shoot, you have to make sure you pistol switch like that. So if you add all of that together, it should look like this. That would have been cool if I would have hit right there. But that's what it looks like. I did go prone once I landed. You don't have to go prone. I just do it to add a little bit more style. But that is how you guys do the Temperrr shot. Let's see if we can hit this in an actual trick shot so you guys can see what it looks like in the kill cam. All right, bot's somewhere around this building. Yep, right there. So I'm gonna do a little 270, I guess you would say. Like instead of a 360 rotation, it's like a 270 degrees. Let's try again. And if you notice, when I'm shooting, I'm actually scoping in a little bit as well. It adds a little bit of steeze to your trick shot. So if you have the hang time, I do recommend doing that as well. Oh, he's over there. Also, another really good thing about like scoping in right there, right before you shoot. If you do it just a little bit and not like hard scope it, it looks good, like I said, but it also adds accuracy to your no scope. Because in this game, when you no scope, I get to scope in right on him, scope out, shoot, and it misses, right? My shot went up above him. That's because the no scopes never go straight in this game. But if you scope in just ever so slightly and then shoot, your no scope will actually go much straighter. And it looks good. So that's another really good tip for you guys if you're having struggles doing the Temperrr shot. Almost hit. 14 meters, not very far. I would recommend trying to go at least 20 meters and out. If you go 39 meters or longer, instead of being a plus 500, it's going to turn into a plus 550.
Yeah, she too deep in the flask. Drinking and thinking gon' lead to a bad decision. Deja vu, I've been through it with you multiple times on many occasions. Contemplating vacating without you, I doubt you the one. I could be wrong, I could be sprung.
So it looks a lot better, but not required. I really don't want to end this stream and not have this shot done. There ain't no way, bro. I didn't shoot. Oh my god. YouTube commentary every time I go for a shot. Y'all ready? All right, this is how you guys do a Temperrr shot. If you like the video, like the video. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. All right, this is how you guys Temperrr shot. Like the video. Dude, so many almost hits. This helped you guys learn how to Temperrr shot. Drop a like. There's no way. There's no way. Hey, if this Temperrr shot video helped you learn how to do it, drop a like. What? That's 3 in a row. Okay. Drop a like if this helped you guys learn how to Temperrr shot. Oh, this is how you guys do a Temperrr shot. 38 meters plus 550. We'll take it, man. Little Temperrr shot. So if you guys like this video, please drop a like on the video. Drop a subscription. It would mean the world. And yeah, like I said, for any of the beginners, make sure you guys just follow step by step. This should be the first trick shot you hit. Try to make it look steezy, and good luck. Oh, this is how you guys do a Temperrr shot. 38 meters plus 550. We'll take it, man.